So this is by Dracaena, I think that's how you say it, that I rescued last year and have been kind of nursing back to health all through the winter. It had a partner that when I bought it for, I don't know, $3, the partner was not doing well, and I tried to propagate it and it did not work. So I've been wondering if I'd ever find a little partner for him, and I did. This one I just picked up for $5. I probably overpaid, to be quite honest. But I'm going to put them together in a cute little Dracaena, I don't know, matching for a pot that I have indoors. And this one, as you can see, its roots are crazy and it keeps falling over. So we're going to try and fix it up.